Oh, that's gorgeous.
Resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad
These are charters.
it was over.
Hello there, how are you?
Good. What's a day charter run?
Our day trips, depending on the boat, they range from $1,200 to $2,200 depending on the boat, and we do maximum up to 12 people per trip.
Oh, okay.
And it's typically an 8-hour day.
Wow. Are they going in? Can we go in that one?
You sure can. If you wouldn't mind taking off your shoes.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go in here. Oh, okay. It's mstwist@hotmail.com. Thank you.
You're smart. The other one's very.
How many feet is it? 41. Okay.
Where's your? Here's some stuff that you might use for the brand new. You don't have to worry about that stuff. But just go check it. Yep. But I'll shoot that to you and.
Oh, up front.
I saw those. Yeah, you point out.
How are you guys?
All right.
We get to step.
Yeah.
Really?
Said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know. You didn't have to cut me off. Think I like it never happened before we were nothing. Need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so rough. Didn't have to stoop so
Come
low.
on down here.
Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Listen, I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Somebody I used to know. Somebody that I used to know.
Huh? I want to see if it fits. I don't know whether I'd be claustrophobic. Bathroom's okay. I fit in the shower.
I'll ask all of the details.
Yeah. Oh, that's where the kitchen is. Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good day.
on the river, you'll be drowning.
Grounding. Where are you from?
Pittsburgh.
It's the way we say it in New York.
Okay.
Upstate New York.
He wants to take a sailboat on the river, and I'm like,
Hey.
eh.
We do charters and sunset cruises, all kind of good stuff. We take you out, show you how to enjoy
Through here, yeah,
Did you swim?
yeah.
So you don't need to.
Thank God.
Nobody gets wet on our tour,
Yeah, I see this.
unless it's raining.
We're sitting out front there.
I did.
How is it?
It was okay. But I was concerned.
No, it's trust me.
Cool.
Yes.
Kids can get up there and do flips and stuff. You don't want to do a flip. You weigh over 200 pounds. I wouldn't recommend
You're not allowed to
it.
do
No, I'm done already. I just wanted to
No,
see how
it's
solid it
perfectly
was.
safe.
Yeah,
though.
that's
I mean,
fine.
you get, 4 people just laying there. It's perfectly safe.
Yeah, that's really cool. It's like a hammock.
Right.
Yeah.
You think you could sit?
Oh yeah.
So the thing about catamarans, between catamarans and monohulls, is this rocks forward and back instead of left and right.
But nowhere near. I mean, a monohull goes like
Yeah.
a washing machine. It goes in every direction. These things just,
A little more steadier.
it's like 80%, 75% easily just steadier, especially side to side. When you're sailing on a monohull and 20 knots of breeze and you're like cooking, you're going like that.
Yeah.
And everything in the boat, if it's not tied down, it's over here. And when you tack and come back the other direction, now it's all over there, including people going.
Yeah.
Now, what happens
These
with,
things just stay flat,
when you learn, like, because we have a monohull.
Yeah.
If you want to switch from a monohull to one of these, the learning, is it difficult?
No.
No?
Not at all. And these, they're so much more maneuverable. Like when you're trying to dock and stuff. I mean, it's
Really?
obviously they take up more room, but this thing it drives like a tank. I tell people, when I teach them, it's like dancing. It's like
Just to get it.
'Cause you have
It's
2 engines.
huge.
You got 2 propellers 20 feet apart, so you can go just you can make a right angle turn, drive to the end of the dock and just bang it. Whereas in a monohull, you cannot do that.
It's nice. We're going to come down. Thank you.
Wouldn't believe it.
Thank you.
From the dark end of the street
I like the wind.
to the bright side of the road.
Is it?
We've been
The new
loving
line.
once again.
How come?
Bright side of the road.
You can hopefully order it from those people.
Little darling, come with me.
I like how they'll put the line in it. One of they had the
Help
little
me show my
push
load.
Oh, yeah, right here.
From the dark end of the street to the bright side
Thank
of
you.
the road. And into this life we're born. Baby, sometime we don't know why.
Well, I would leave it off for now.
And
Here's one
time
right
simply
here.
goes by so
What
fast.
size is it?
In the
Okay, look.
twinkling of an eye. Let's enjoy it while we can.
Let's enjoy it while we can.
Help me share my load.
Help me share my load.
From the dark end of the street to the bright side of the road. Cricket!
Can I go on there?
On the dark end of the street.
To the bright side of the road.
To the bright side of the road.
Little darling, come on, look.
On the bright side of the road.
Come on, tell me. Hey, on the dark end of the street.
On the dark end of the street.
To the bright side of the road.
To the bright side of the road.
The love is once again.
On the bright side of the road.
Well, we be. The love is once again.
On the bright side of the road.
Dave.
Yes. See, hon?
What? Yeah, this is a little. I did not like the way the cat was set up.
This is it.
But look in here. The toilet's on this side, and then you got the little shower area.
Oh, no, that's cool.
Yeah, the toilet's over there. And I like how the beds are set in here better than the cat. I did not like that part. This is 50. This is 50 something. Yeah. Did you see the toilet area?
What size is this?
52. Yeah. Look at this little stove. Yeah, it's got everything and it closes. The area for sitting. No, I seen.
We're bringing them along.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, but I'm sure we probably would. A stereo. I'm gonna see if I'm claustrophobic is my issue.
The headroom. I'll
Yeah,
take my
I-
head in the other one.
Hi, honey. I feel fine. So don't sit on bed. Okay. Okay.
I'm a big boy.
When we get to Houston, we'll have to see what's sort about the
I
boat
see you.
situation.
Aw. I guess he'll find you.
So here's the 35.
It's small, but it's doable.
Is it just going to be you two?
Yeah. Hopefully.
I've lived in small apartments most of
I'd like to live in here.
Well, that's hardly a bed.
That's big enough,
Large,
though.
king size bed.
It's better than that cat one where you have to.
Yeah. I didn't
Yeah, I
like
didn't like the cat one hopping around.
Oh, there,
There's a table.
The headroom's not as good. I got my head on the way out, and the steps aren't on. They're got my shin at the top step. So.
And they're kind of like everything's like, okay, one area is here and one area is there. At least the one down there. I'm gonna try a different cat and see what
Well, it
it's
was a
like.
big one.
I know, but I didn't like it. Okay, I'm going.
I miss the taste of the sweet life. I miss the conversation. I'm searching for a song I'm changing all of the stations. I like to think
what?
that we had more. We
It's over there,
drew
the
a
bathroom.
map to a better place. But on that road we had a fall. Oh baby, why did you go away? I was there for you in your darkest nights. I was there for you in your darkest nights. But I wonder where were you when I was at my
cabins. France. Flower shell.
How many feet is this?
It's 40. 40. 40.
I can do
That map that leads to you. Following, following, following.
I hear your voice in my sleep at night. Hard to resist temptation. 'Cause something strange has come over me. And now I can't get over you.
No, I can't get over you.
I was there for you in your darkest nights. I was there for you in your darkest nights. But I wonder, where were you when I was at my worst, down on my knees?
On my knees.
And you said you had my back.
And I wonder, where were you?
When all the roads you took led back to me, yeah. Now I'm following a map that leads to you.
That map that leads to you.
There's nothing I can do.
That map that leads to you. Following, following, following. That map that leads to you.
There's nothing I can do.
That map that leads to you.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh, oh, oh, oh.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh,
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 oh, oh.
oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Wonder, where were you? On my knees. And I wonder, where were you?
With every road you took led back to me, yeah. So I'm following the map that leads to you.
That leads to you.
Ain't nothing I can do.
That map that leads to you. Following, following, following to you.
The map that leads to you. There's nothing I can do.
That map that leads to you. Map that leads to
So we ate at this Buddy's Crab Shack. It was pretty good. We just had drinks and crab cake and shrimp because we just wanted to start our drink out, but haste it so we can make it all night with the crew. So this is like, yeah, all the crazy traffic. We're waiting on a lift so we can go meet Karen and them. Yeah, over that way, yeah, you'll see all the flags. This is where the boat show is at. And this is
It's 2 minutes.
all the streets. Yeah, we're waiting for our Lyft driver. Kind of crazy. Pick it up. So everybody wondering what the boat show is like. This means you can't drive. She's here, we're waiting, but yeah, okay, I'm gonna put it down because I'm just gonna wait for the ride. I just wanted to get this because I know we were curious on what it was like before we came, so this is good for everybody else. There's Dave, he's down there looking. Okay.
This is how I show my love. Oh, baby.